Hey guys, so I am back with another quick video. I'm just about to do a quick haul. I normally like to share the stuff that I buy before I use it, and I'm ready to use it, so I might as well get the video out. So the first thing I'm going to share, of course, this is a haul from GoldPaperPrints, which is the shop that I'm now a PR girl for, and I will post my code here. Just if you guys want to go check it out, get 25% off right now. GoldPaperPrints is actually in a TPC, the Planner Collaborative sale that's going on right now from today until October 12th, and there's actually going to be this % off, so you don't want to miss that. And remember, if you mention my name in the notes, you will receive my freebie, which is going to have it's going to have some scripts that I decide, some of my favorite scripts, and I will post a screenshot of that right here. All right guys, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you are going to be, this is going to be for my budgeting. So these are going to be budget labels. This is what I'm going to use for specific bills that I pay or specific credit cards that I use. This is how I'm going to track it on my monthly calendar so that I can track where all of my funds are going whenever I'm using those. So I'll have a color for like bills, and I'll have a color for my Discover card. I'll have a color for my BOK card. I'll have a color for miscellaneous. I'll have a color for food, things like that. So let's get started. So here are those labels I'm talking about. So we have black, and then we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, we have blue, and we have my favorite color, purple. So I'm not sure exactly what color is going to go to what just yet, but if you continue to watch my channel, you will see me use these in my budgeting videos. All right, and now I'm going to share with you the 3 kits that I purchased that I'm super excited to use. So this first one is going to be Autumn Mood, and so here are the full boxes. All right, and then here are little things, and then your today, to do, and little things headers. And then you have some bill due quarter boxes there at the bottom. You're gonna have your full box heart checklist, and then you're gonna have some weekly checklist, and then a little piece of skinny washi at the bottom there. And this is gonna be your half boxes and your quarter boxes. And she is not shy on the amount that she gives you, so you'll have plenty of those for the week. And then we have some habit trackers here and the 3 heart checklist. Then we have your day of the week headers. You have your date dots, script. This is my favorite. She has 2 font scripts that she uses, and this is my favorite one. And then we have some little icons here, the weekend banner, and then some more headers here at the bottom. And then here we have the glitter headers and the bottom washi. And then here's some more like small washi that you can use. But that's the Autumn Mood. And then I do have my work add-on. Love, love, love these. And then I also have some more half box and quarter box add-ons. All right, so again, that is called Autumn Mood. And then so the next kit is gonna be called Pretty Pumpkins. And I just like this color, these blues and these pinks. And these are gonna be your full boxes. And then your littles and your headers, as well as some bill due boxes down there. You have your full heart checklist, and your Monday through Sunday checklist, and some washi. Your quarter boxes and half boxes, some habit trackers, and your 3 heart checklist. your daily headers, you have your date dots, your script, your icons, your weekend banner, and some more headers here at the bottom. And then we're gonna have the glitter headers and the bottom washi. And then on this kit, I also got the half boxes. I use a lot of these, so I wanted to get some extras, and then I have the work headers as well. And again, that's called Pretty Pumpkins. And then the last kit, which actually is my favorite kit, just because the way it looks, it has my favorite color. Well, both of my favorite colors. So this is called Ginger House. And here are the full boxes. Alright, and we have your Today to Do Little Things headers and some little things. I believe that's what they're called. And then your Bill Do boxes at the bottom, your full heart checklist, your weekly checklist, and some washi. Then you have some half boxes and quarter boxes, habit trackers, and 3 heart checklists. Again, your daily headers, your date dots, your script, weekend banner, icons, and some more headers. And then we have your glitter headers and bottom washi. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And of course, we have the half boxes and quarter boxes, as well as the work headers. All right, guys, so that's all for the haul. So like I said, GoldPaperPrints is in the TPC sale this weekend. It did start today, and that goes until October 12th. I already did my shopping for that, so you will be seeing another haul for that. And like I said, she's having 50% off, so you won't want to miss it. Even if there's something that you can think of that you might want, that you're not sure that any shop has, or you're not sure if she would have it, there is a custom script option on there. You can actually use that to see if she can make a custom sticker for you. So don't hesitate to ask. Remember, you can use my code, which is CHAR25, on days that she's not having the sale. Now, right now, again, since she is in the TPC sale, that code is TPC Holly Jolly, and you'll want to use that from now until October 12th to get your 50% off anything that you purchase in her shop. So you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's Thursday, but I do hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Remember, guys, be safe, wear your mask, and be blessed. Bye.